Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Have you ever heard of snow in May? Well, it's possible. Just take a walk through the valley along the Intermountain Highway, running from Taipei to Pingtung. Every spring, the paths are covered with white tung blossoms, the flower that symbolizes the Hakka. Even now, each year, tung blossoms draw crowds of tourists. In addition to tung blossoms, tung trees were also an important part of traditional Hakka culture. Tung trees and their byproducts were used in everything, ranging from furniture to crafts.
Hey everyone, it's time to talk about Hakka here on Icrt.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
Hello, 大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. And this is the month of April. Spring is in the air. And you know what? It also begins the Tung Flower Festival, where you can watch the white tung blossom beautifully all across the island.
對對對
How do you say tung flower? 油桐花怎麼說？
油桐花，
油桐花 also known as snow in May, 也是五月雪。
也寫。
But aside from talking about the tung flower, I know that this product can be extracted into other products.
對，
比如呢？
現在的桐油比較少公用了，但是呢，在美濃、米濃、油字雜上面還是很多。
美濃的那個紙傘裡面就會用到這個桐油，就對了。
對，就算我們的紙面做好之後，一定要上一層桐油，這樣才可以防水。
The very well-known Meinong paper umbrellas actually use the oils extracted from a tung flower, and they coat it on the umbrella so that it can become water-resistant.
而且油字雜我們都可以拿來送人家。
可是在這個我們中文裡面 even 台語裡面送傘就是祝人家要閃掉耍嘛，
就是不好的兆頭嘛。
對啊，那客家人的就可以有。
客家人我們叫油字雜，它個諧音叫是有子傘，就是有孩子祝你早生貴子。
Okay. Interesting. In Chinese or Mandarin, and also in Taiwanese, it is bad luck to send someone or to give someone an umbrella as a gift because it sounds like you're telling them to separate. But in the Hakka language, when you talk about umbrella, it sounds like you're going to have a son or going to have a kid soon. So it actually is a form of blessing. So in the Hakka culture, they would actually take the umbrella and use it as a gift very often. 很有趣的一个知识。Let's review these terms. 油桐花
油桐花
that's the tung flower. Then it's also known as snow in May, 五月雪
也寫
And then the 美濃 paper umbrella, 也就是美濃的紙傘
米濃油字雜
And there you have it. That does for today's Talk About Hakka.
什麼大家？
暗自say 張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.